Good morning, everyone, and warmly welcome to our Reactor Ecosystem Cafe. We are happy to open our stage program. We will be having different kind of programs throughout the day, and after work drinks starting at 7 p.m. So warmly welcome here. We are happy to kick off our program with our ecosystem spotlight partner, CodeMate. You will hear the CEO of CodeMate, Toni Piirainen, and the Director of AI, Data and Cloud, Ville Lindfors, to share their experiences on the culture and growth with AI and real-world examples with Netflix, Moi, and Beyond. So warmly welcome Toni and Ville.
Seems to be working. Yeah, thanks, and really nice to be here together with Ville. We are sharing a little bit about our project, that what we have been doing with our customers and what kind of things we have been done in the past and kind of lessons learned also. So why we are talking about AI and culture and the growth, especially in the IT business, is that, well, my background is from the IT. I started 30 years ago doing some software development, and I has been an entrepreneur for the last 20 years, being founding a couple of companies during that time, but my main job is still being the CEO of the CodeMate. About the AI, I somewhere in the past crossed about the self-organizing maps, Kohonen maps, things in the when I was studying in the university and doing a research there. And after that, I was a partner in a company called Gurusoft, where we were doing non-generative language modeling with this self-organizing map technology, and later on the same technology is nowadays used, called LLMs. So we were doing that 25 years ago, so we were a bit early with these things. But that is my background, so kind of know a little bit about AI and a little bit about how to grow the business in IT. But I have my friend here, Ville. So Ville, could you share a little bit about your background?
Thanks, Toni. So, Ville Lindfors, I've been with CodeMate since beginning of this year, but before that I was with Avon, running the global operations there, and before that F-Secure. So I've been involved in environments where there is lots of data, lots of AI rule engines, and lots of decision making, and lots of lessons from there. Also, roughly 30 years of experience. Been also entrepreneur for 10 years and so on, but finally, together with Toni, with CodeMate, helping our customers to understand AI, how it transforms the business, and what are the possibilities and what are the pitfalls.
Okay, so we are talking about our customer cases and kind of what is the AI behind of those cases, how it has transformed the culture inside of the companies. So Moi Mobile, our mobile operator, local mobile virtual operator here in Finland. We have been doing lots of together. They have a really lean organizations, lean management, but they do a lot of automation. Netflix, we have been doing cooperation them already over 5 years, and we have been helping them to build their AI systems, Metaflow. Everybody knows what Netflix does, so kind of streaming services, but they have been from the beginning using lots of cloud services and lots of machine learning and AI from the beginning, and we have been helping with those projects. But more about that in the later on. So about CodeMate, we are part of this Reactor ecosystem. We started cooperation with Reactor 2017 when there wasn't Reactor ecosystem yet. Nowadays it's already like there is lots of consultancy companies in the ecosystem, and we do lots of partnership and projects together. But We are this kind of a full lifecycle software service consultancy company. We are focusing to deliver all of our projects with this kind of seniority. We believe that the senior developers and designers are the key to the success of your customer projects. In a way, we are also using a lot of AI nowadays in all of our projects, because with the boosted AI, you are able to do a lot more productivity gain, and that way you get a better results. Seniors can actually then see that are the systems designed, are the architects correctly, is the AI working correctly. Most of our customers are actually this kind of big global brands, like I mentioned, Netflix. Google is also our customer. We are building the technology core called Flutter, and also Google Maps services, especially in the Flutter and React Native world. Schaeffler, Burger King, to mention a couple of them, which kind of customers we have. And kind of consultancy business has been going down lately, especially, well, globally, but also here in Finland, but we have been growing lately still all of the last years. So still going forward and looking for a new project for the future. So Ville, can you continue a little bit about why AI and growth really matter now?
Yes. So I think that all know that AI transformation is hitting us hard in a good way or bad way. It's not really optional anymore, whether you're using it or not. It is basically making like full industries irrelevant, and also it is opening up new business possibilities. For example, many of you are not anymore buying any translation services or something like that. It's AI mostly. There are still people who are doing translations, but it is shifting the business. It actually works best when it is used for real problems, mostly for those that were not possible in the past. And for those problems that were possible in the past, it can also speed up things and help implement those in a smarter and better way. It helps to have better customer experience, smarter services, and better decisions and new ideas. But it just doesn't work if you are using it as a tool and if you're not rethinking your business. So rethink your business, think about what you're doing, plan and build the trust and decision making, and think about who's actually having the responsibility. It will be always people who are having the responsibility. Okay, then first real life example, Moi-mobili. Toni described this case a bit. So it's a lean virtual operator in Finland, and customer experience and operational efficiency are really the key drivers of Moi-mobili's success. As it is competing with the larger operators, there has to be something which is making it different. And customer experience is one, and of course, price point. And as they are small, they need to automate and operate everything. We started collaboration with them more than 5 years ago. First with Flutter technology enabling cross-platform development, starting first with the mobile devices, mobile apps, and making self-service possible. Eventually this led to replacing also the web team and making it more efficient. So where cross-platform really shines. This year we started with AI workshop and actually thought about how we can actually boost those key success factors like customer experience and efficiency. It was a workshop where we first thought about like what is the current state, what would be the dream state, what kind of possibilities AI is opening in that transformation, and then creating those based on those key success factors. And it actually led to like 3 ranked items that we wanted to do, and kicked off a project where we started doing those. It was also leading to a bit of a transformation on the Flutter technology and solution that we are doing on that front. And now CodeMate's AI solutions are also fully integrated with Flutter technology, also with other things. And this is bringing those cross-platform benefits further. And what we're doing now with Moi is that we don't have any special AI projects. It's part of design, it's part of development, and also it's part of operations. We are not the ones who are actually teaching the AI what to do, how to operate. It's those business people, and it is making them really lean and really fast. And we are basically cannibalizing our business because we're not anymore automating those processes, but they are doing those on their own in safe, transparent, and auditable way.
Okay, thanks, Ville. I will continue with this Netflix case. So we started, actually Netflix started to build their own platform to actually build their AI models and controlling them and managing how they are deployed and what kind of data it's using. And we were able to join this project together with them. And the problem they had, it was the Metaflow is a platform to control all the AI models, but it's like it was Python-based development tool. So kind of you needed to understand the software development to actually use it. So data scientist was dropping out. Our team actually joined to do the whole UI for this project, integrate with the whole service, and expand the usage of this tool inside of the Netflix. And after that, it has been kind of used with not only software developers but also data scientists, which doesn't always understand the software development. So this was the problem we were solving and helping them. Inside of the Netflix, they are using Metaflow in lots of different ways. Kind of all of the models that they are doing, they are automating the streaming services, how the infrastructure is working. Also, how they are trying to understand the content demand modeling, kind of what is the user's request, what they want to see, what kind of, is it a sci-fi series or is it like a romantic movie, what people in the different regions are interested to see. So they are making decisions based on these facts that they have collected from the users and kind of make a production decisions with this tool also. Also, they are using it lots of in the media understanding, creating lots of personalized content. All of the views that when you are using Netflix are like a personalized based on your usage history, and automatic trailers, automatic synopsis, like a short summary about the movie. And kind of that is also hard if you are using generative AI models and kind of they are seeing the movie by themselves. They are creating a summary that might also reveal the plot, what is going to happen in the end of the movie. So it's not so easy job to make these models work. But these are the things that they are doing with this tool. One like an example of how we did with this project with Netflix was kind of funny fact that why we are able to tell it. We were starting this project, and after a couple of years, they kind of said that, okay, this is going to be open sourced. Is it okay that they open source all the work that we did for them? Well, it was okay. The next question was that is it okay that CodeMate would publish this as their own work, because Netflix is giving entertainment for the people, not AI company. So kind of we organized then this kind of seminar, then published this tool for Netflix. So it was a funny accident. We got same way, at the same time able to tell this publicly what we have done. Nowadays, this Metaflow is also given as a service, so software as a service. There is a company called Autobounce, which is giving this same service to all of the other corporations that want to use this tool to actually control, version your models, repeat your processes, and deploy all the things that you need to do with your AI models. And we have been partnering with Autobounce since it's established, when they established the company. So that was kind of an example of this Netflix case, what we did, and or actually still doing it. It's not yet ended. We are still doing the new functionalities and new business with that. But maybe Ville, you can tell a little bit about how we work at a CodeMate with the AI.
Yes, how we work, but also about the previous cases. So basically, in all of those cases, we have been making AI more accessible throughout the organizations. So basically, it's not a developer tool anymore. For Netflix, for Moi, it's always a process owner who can actually see and even train the data. So train the AI, use the AI. And this is the cultural transformation. And this actually brings how we work with AI. It's everything that we are doing. It's part of how we build, how we create ideas, how individual person is working. There is AI companion helping you, sparking ideas, ranking ideas, doing reviews, even, let's say, analyzing financials and so on. It's about everything. It's not just about development. It's not just about creating code. Even though we are CodeMate, it's not just about creating. We all also, for example, get projects that have been implemented by other companies in the past. And in those cases, we are extensively, for example, using AI to analyze, understand, document, and build the understanding and making a better offer how we are doing. And this actually means that we are cannibalizing our business by being more efficient than ever. This is intentional, because if we wouldn't be doing that, someone else would do that. And this is also opening up different business possibilities, because there are those untapped possibilities that were impossible without AI. So those kind of cases are coming in as we are more efficient elsewhere. We are also helping others with training and consulting. We have been running AI trainings for especially some Finnish companies, Visma being one, and let's say Helen Konecranes and so on. And then, of course, we are consulting and providing AI workshops, AI strategy workshops for our customers, or basically anyone who wants to be our customer. So our rule with AI, it helps you to achieve more, and it opens up new opportunities. But responsibility will always stay with people. So what's next? What we're doing actually. So we are building the future with Google, especially with those Flutter and generative UI and maps use cases. And we are extensively kind of researching different kind of customer experiences and so on. Then, of course, we do have this Outer Bounds partnership, as these new cases are bringing more and more data, then we can use and leverage that platform for analyzing it, building more efficient, more intelligent models. And our goal, help people build smarter tools and make real difference by providing exceptional customer experience. Let's discuss how we can actually transform and grow your business with AI.
Okay, thank you. And I think we have a couple of minutes for questions, if I understood correctly. So if there's a question, shout out. I think we have a person to bring your mic so that you can ask something about the presentation.
Any questions? Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you for interesting input. Being in a traditional industrial business, trying to embrace this whole AI area, I'm referring to what you said about your actually cannibalizing your own business. And we're just seeing tools, $10 a month. You can create your own apps, your own software development will be there on a platform instead of calling you, or what do you think about that? Where are we ending in just a few days?
Maybe, well, both we can answer, but I think you can, some of the kind of, not just simple, there is also very complex things that you can use with the tools and kind of build by your own self. But if you are not kind of experienced that what you are building and what kind of things you are building, like in our mind, if you have a seniority and you understand what you are building, it makes like a more secure, high availability, production is even faster. So kind of there is a balance between that what you can do by yourself and what kind of system you don't want to do it by yourself if you don't have enough software architecture understanding or like how the whole software service business is working. So checking out that it's secure. We have seen a couple of our customers coming that they used AI and now their software is ready. Could you actually check it out? And sadly to say that we have been saying that don't ever go live with this. There is, let's say, cryptocurrencies, wallet open to world or like a really bad problem. So kind of check it out before you go live at least. If you are using tools that you don't really kind of all the way understand what is doing.
Second that, but there is also a place for those tools. There are lots of applications that you can actually build, and people have been building with Excel sheets quite a lot, and many companies are running by Excel sheets. But those are not integrated systems. If you think about our use cases, our use case examples, if you run a virtual operator, or if you run a large corporation with those kind of tools, it might be a good niche somewhere, but then if you think about that everything and all the data needs to be, data models need to be aligned so that you can actually gain that operational efficiency and actually do those automations in the future. That's a different thing. And what we are seeing now, many companies that are having like lots of SaaS software as a service things, now with AI era, it's a pain to integrate all of that. Data is in different silos and so on. And if you build those applications even more and more, it's even more in the silos. You don't have a data model for your company.
Hello, and first of all, thank you very much for your presentation. Very interesting talk. What I wanted to ask that at the very beginning you mentioned that one of the key points is the building the trust with the AI tools. Can you maybe share some key points how to do that? Because even in the IT companies, the skepticism around the AI and the tools still kind of quite big. So maybe you can give some tips from your side.
That's a really good question, and I can actually highlight a couple of architectural principles, but we can discuss more because time is too short for that. But first of all, there are a couple of things. Let's think about modern LLM-based application. You want to make it traceable. You want to know what was the exact data, what went in, what was the prompt that was affecting that, and so on. Like proper version control, and never lose a prompt that was in production. Have all the logs and so on. Make it safe. Nothing is slipping into production without proper audit trail. Then, if you think about AI use, for example, one pattern that we're using quite a bit is that AI is not actually seeing the data that it doesn't need to see. And then there is, so basically AI is kind of orchestrating decision making, but it doesn't need to know exact details where it doesn't need to know, and it also keeps it safe. And then one thing is that when some decision is made, there is a function which is actually implementing that. So AI is not implementing that, but we are giving tools. So basically boundaries for the AI. And then there is also, when needed, there is human components, or whether it's without or outside of certain boundaries, then there is human components and so on. So understanding what are the boundaries, what is the data, who did what when, and having full audit trail and controlling it. So there are some things.
And one more to add, you can repeat the process. If you are building with some random data, what you are building as an AI model, is it a good business? You don't get any more same results with your new model if you are building with wrong data.
So basically, Toni was referring to Metaflow and Outer Bounds platform. So basically, we have with that also full audit trail and full data available. So.
All right. Thank you so much.